Ayan, kakanta tayo ng happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sis Loris. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Sis Loris. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sis Loris, happy birthday!
Hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Loris Husay. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you so much. And ayan, more bonding to us, Loris. And I will wait. I'm still waiting for you to come here and Tagaytay and let's banding. Ayan, Lu. I wish you more birthdays to come, Lu. And good health, and stay beautiful like me, and stay sexy like me also. Ayan. Lu, happy, happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday sa pinaka maganda at sexy na kaibigan ko sa YT, and I miss you so much na. Hope to see you again. Enjoy your birthday, guwapa, and wish you all the best and good luck sa YT world mo. More blessings to come and enjoy your day. Happy, 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 happy birthday. I miss you and I love you so much. Bye.
Love, today is your birthday. I pray that God blesses you with all the good things in life, health, wealth, happiness, and success. Happy birthday again and enjoy your day. Love ya.
Hello, Sis Luris. Happy birthday, Sis Luris. Enjoy your special day and stay safe, stay healthy, Sis Luris. And I wish you all the best, Sis Luris. Lalo na sa iyong channel. Ayan. So, more blessings to come. And thank you so much for asking me birthday greetings, Sis Luris. So, wala akong ibang masasabi kundi kakantahan na lang kita ng happy birthday. Yan. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Luris. And thank you so much. Stay safe, Sis Luris. God bless. God bless always and your family. And thank you so much. I love you, Sis Luris. Bye.
Hi Lu! Happy birthday! Ayan, I wish you all the love and happiness. Ayan. Always good health, Lu. Enjoy your day. Ayan lang. Ingat lagi, Lu. Again, happy birthday. God bless. More blessings. Bye, Lu. Mwah.
Hi, Malos. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Birthday mo na naman pala. Yun ang wish ko lang sa'yo. Siyempre, good health. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. Then, more blessings para sa iyo, para sa family mo, para sa YT channel mo. And, yun, malalim na rin yung friendship natin. And, basta nandito lang ako para sa iyo. I'm sorry kung may mga times na hindi natin maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero, syempre, at the end of the day, nakakasundo pa rin. And patuloy na lalaban para sa friendship, diba? Mahal kita, alam mo yan. Nandito lang ako palagi. Basta, lagi ka mag-iingat. And God bless. Love you.
Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat dyan. Nais ko lang palang batiin ang ating isang kaibigan. Isang kaibigan nating matalik yun sa mundo ng YouTube. Walang iba kundi si Curly Loris Husay. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. At sana pagpalain ka pa palagi. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat. Ingat lagi.
Hello dear Sissy Loris. Heto na naman tayo. It's been a year nang gumawa ko ng video na ganito. And dumating na naman yung time to greet you. Happy birthday, Sissy. Wish you all the best in your YT life, Sissy. More success, more sponsors to come. And sa buhay mo, sa family mo, I wish you good health for every member of your family. And more blessings to come pa, Sissy. We've been friends here in YT, I don't know for how so long. And I hope maging friends pa tayo forever. As long as may YT. Siyempre, di ba? Happy birthday, Sissy. I wish you all the best. You're a strong person, Sissy. And I know malayo pang mararating mo. God bless you more, Sissy. Happy birthday.
Hi, Loris Husay Sisikoy. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day, and thank you for everything that you done to my channel. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Nida Smiley Vlog. Again, happy birthday, Loris Husay, and God bless.
Sissy Love, happy birthday. Wishing you a lot of blessing and good health. Also to your family. And then take care always. God bless you always, Sissy Love. Love you.
Hello sa'yo, Loris Diyosa. Happy birthdays. More birthdays to come. So, wish ko sa'yo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, ang minimitan mo ay matupad. Once again, happy birthday sa'yo ulit. From Kabayan Channel.
Hey Loris, happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-invite mo sa aking birthday. Enjoy your day and sana lumago pa ang iyong channel and magiging successful ka at sa iyong pamilya. Andito ako ngayon sa Puerto Galera, Loris. Kaya late na yung aking sa iyong pag-send. Thank you sa mga support mo rin sa akin and happy birthday to you, my friend. And God bless.
Hi Loris, happy birthday sa'yo. I wish na good health ka always, more blessings to come, and always pretty. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, sana mapapabuhay mo ng mahabang panahon pa and makamit mo pa ang iyong goal sa buhay. Happy birthday and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Loris. Happy birthday. God bless you more and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.